and I'm here to help and to support with the Tillotson T4 category. Our Tillotson T4 series here in Colombia has been running for a year. They have approximately up to 40 drivers taking part in their events, where they have a light and a heavy category. So this weekend we have 15 karts on the grid, and I think there is a representation from 6 or 7 different nations in the region here in South America. So yeah, it's great to be here. It's nice to see the event, and it's nice to meet up with people that I haven't seen in some time.
So you're going around the world to see those racings and evaluate?
Yeah, basically we like to support all of the regions where we have T4 series active. At the moment there's 25 different regions globally where we have T4 series of different categories running. Here in Colombia, like I said, we have a senior light and a senior heavy category. In other regions we have up to 4 categories running. We have a T4 mini for 8 to 12 year olds, a T4 junior for 11 to 15 year olds, senior for 15 plus. We also have a senior heavy category, and this year, for 2023, we're actually launching a T4 Bambino category, which is for 6 to 8 year olds.
And how big is this sport for Tillotson?
Yeah, of course, Tillotson have a long history and involvement in kart racing, and primarily would have been through our carburetor products. And in Ireland, in Tralee, we have a large carburation manufacturing facility. The T4 series is running 5 years now. It was developed to be a monobrand category to help bring budget racing karting to customers that maybe weren't able to compete at the slightly higher levels, which are more expensive. So yeah, it's a big market for us. It's very important, and we like to make sure to support all the different regions. So at the moment we have approximately 1,000 drivers regularly racing in the 25 different regions, and it's been growing quite rapidly for the last 3 to 4 years.
You're ready for the next year to sustain all those racings?
Yes, absolutely. We have a global calendar at the moment, and the global calendar is usually launched in December. We're working on that, so what we do is we combine all the events globally into one calendar, which can be hundreds of events. So yeah, we're ready. Every year with T4 series we've tried to expand, and we've tried to create, there's been a new category every year, so to cater for more drivers across a larger age category and age range. So yeah, it's been a rapid development, and it's exciting to see the growth, and we're bringing a lot of new customers and new drivers into the karting world.